to my first YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a paper hat. First, you're gonna need to fold it from the right. Sometimes you need to center it a little bit more. Then, right here at the top, you have to make a line. Then unfold it. Then grab the top and fold it the same way but with the top. You guys ready to do the next steps? Okay. Open it up and it's gonna look like a T. Close it back and grab the top right and the top left. Then you're gonna see there's gonna be like a little bag. You grab this side or whatever side you want and do this. Just fold it. Then you're going to go to the other side and do the same exact thing. If you want to, you can fold the ends like this. And here it is, an origami hat for your pet elephant. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun making your paper hat.